Hey guys, Ravi here from D Mansha. I hope all of you got to look at the latest news from the RBA announcement today. If not, let me just quickly break this to you. This is the third rate cut that has been announced in the year by RBA, coming down from 3.85% to 3.6% today, which is fantastic news. What this means in layman's language is now you've got a little extra borrowing power to get back into the market if you were really sitting on the sidelines, to get into the property journey. But what this also means is a lot of people who have been renting would want to look at their own individual homes, like converting from a renter to a owner occupier, getting into their principal place of residence, as well as savvy investors who already have either one property or many properties or even their first property who might want to time the market and get in. Now, what this means from a supply and a demand matrix is that because there's going to be a lot of activity in the market for people wanting to come and buy property, of course, with rising demand, as you know, the prices are going to go up, right? And what that means, of course, is the days on market is going to reduce. There will be supply issues and things like that. But at the end of the day, what you could have bought for a cheaper price, now you're going to pay a little more extra to get in the market. And that's going to play with your equity if you don't jump in straight in. So, look, if you've been waiting to enter the market, you don't know how to start, you want a trusted advisor who can take you through the whole journey, right from a strategy session, right up to the settlement, you know who to contact. I'm just a phone call away, guys. My website is www.dmansha.com.au. Hit me up, try and book a free strategy session. I've got you covered. See you soon.